Nice one. Welcome back again. Another one. Simple, guys, but it's very effective. And I would encourage you to do this kind of healthy drink at home. You can drink it first thing in the morning on a empty stomach. And that's the beautiful thing about this kind of drink. All right. Now, I'm going to show you. It is a step-by-step recipe with some cloves, red onion, and cinnamon powder. All right. The red onion and the cloves works really well. Help to activate up the body. And also help you to present even from a lot more stuff like cold and flu and all these things. All right. Now I'm going to show you how to do this one. You can put some organic honey if you like, but it doesn't necessarily need honey. You can drink it as natural as it is. All right. The first step what we're going to do, I'm going to show you exactly what the guy is going to need to do to make such a beautiful drink this morning. All right. So right here we got some cloves. All right. I'm going to get a few cloves and put it straight inside of the cup like this. All right, there's a few cloves into the cup. Let's put that one side. All right. Secondly, I got a pinch of cinnamon right here. I'm gonna put that straight inside of it. That is lovely. And also I have some red purple onion which I'm already sliced up. I'm gonna pop that straight inside of it like this. All right. Now, as I mentioned before, if you like to, all right, guys, you can also put some organic honey inside of it, all right, because honeydew works really well with it. So I'm going to put off about half teaspoon of honey inside of it. Then what I'm going to do is put some water, hot water, into the cup like this. I think I put a little bit too much, but that's pretty good. All right. Then what you want to do, you want to leave this for it to dissolve for at least a 5 or rough about 5 minutes. You're pretty good to go with it. All right. Make the onion and the cloves and the cinnamon powder works out really well inside of it. All right. Please enjoy it, and definitely we will be giving you more ideas and more tips how to make this beautiful recipe at home. All right. And this one you will love it. So please enjoy it and leave your comments in the description box. All right, guys. Beautiful, simple, and easy to make, as you can see it for yourself.